Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. And
I think it's evening when it comes out, you know.
it might be. Yeah, I normally do put them out about 6 o'clock, don't I?
You always say good morning.
Well, it is morning.
Well, it is for us now here.
Just.
Anyway.
Right, anyway. We thought we would share our plans for 2026 with you for this year. Now, normally by this time, that is normally full of places that we're going. And sort of timelines, ideas, and other bits and pieces. But obviously, as the van is in bits, unfortunately, we haven't been able to book anything because we don't know when we're getting it back, do we?
No.
So, in this one, basically what we're going to do is we're going to share ideas with what things that we'd like to do, plus something very special that Ciska's going to be doing this year.
Alan Ciska's Mo travels. Come along and see the open road adventure and sweet simplicity. Campfires glowing, wheels keep rolling on. We're living the dream where we belong.
So, what are we looking at doing this year? Well, there's the usual things. We want to go back to the Netherlands this year. When, we don't know, but we do. Because obviously we've got to go and see your mum and the rest of the family over there. Hardenberg, I'm sure all our viewers know Hardenberg just as well as we do now, because we go there all the time. But we will be back in Hardenberg again. We'd like to do a few more of the van club rallies, because the ones that we've been to so far, we've really enjoyed. And this is where Ciska's comes in, because we want to do a fair few festivals this year, don't we?
I only want to do this at small festivals.
The small ones, yes.
Yes, otherwise you're stuck in the middle of nowhere and can't enjoy the festival.
Precisely. So, big ones for us, Vans in the Valley is certainly on the list. There's a new one in May. I believe it's called Vans in the Wild, and it's not too far from Newcastle. That's one that we're going to be looking at for this year. And a couple of other ones. I believe it's Mighty that do all of those.
I don't know. I don't know. You'll have to look into it better.
Yes, I need to look into those. But Vans in the Valley is a definite for us. It's one of our favourite festivals.
Yeah.
We've been for the last 2 years, and we really enjoy that one.
The only problem with then the girls can't come with us.
Yes, because they'll be at school. Because we would need to be there on the Thursday.
Yeah. Yeah, unless Dad would be so very kindly bringing them down on the Friday night.
Yeah.
Or the Saturday morning.
Or the Saturday morning, one or the other.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be an issue.
No, it's not too far, so
no,
it would be doable.
One other thing that we would like to do this year is go back to the annual Rimor meet.
Yes.
At Retford.
Yeah. I like Retford.
Yes. Marie has
nice.
Marie has given us our orders. And we have to go this year.
Yes.
Yes, so if you've ever met Marie, when she says something, we do it.
Well, we try.
We try, yes.
Yes, although we all depends when we get the van back.
Yeah, it does.
We have got an option of taking Liam's van, but it doesn't have a bathroom. It's only got a roll-out bed.
Yeah, there is that option.
Yeah.
But we're really hoping we get the van back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if we get desperate, we might.
Yeah, if we get desperate and the season's moving on and we haven't been able to do what we want to do.
Yeah, then we might.
Because we want to get out and see how this works, don't we? Because it was one of the reasons, of the many reasons, that you retired.
Yeah.
Last year in July, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now, anyone that knows Ciska knows she is a bit of a crafter. You like making things, don't you?
I do. Yes, but I've been banned from making soft toys for the grandkids, so...
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can't really sell soft toys unless you have them tested, so I'm sticking away from that.
Yeah.
I'm keeping away from that.
Yeah.
Yes, so if you see anything that's like toy related or toy looking, it's for ornamental use only.
Yes. Basically, it's something you've wanted to do for a very long time, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've wanted to
make stuff
and then see if it sells.
Yeah.
So at the small festivals, we want, or Ciska would like, to have a sort of a trade stall for homemade stuff.
Yeah, a lot of it upcycled.
Yes,
Yeah.
many things.
Not all of it, but yeah.
Yeah, I would say a good proportion of it.
I've really only mainly used stuff that wasn't even good enough for the charity shop. You know, broken zips, broken whatever. Yeah. We did go to the charity shop and they've got a bin there for stuff that can't be sold due to either stains or, again, broken zips, missing buttons, although that is easily remedied, but hey, not everybody does that.
Yeah. And yes, it was quite comical, weren't there? Because you nearly fell in that bin.
Well, it is rather big.
You know, you can imagine there's Ciska rummaging around in the bottom of this bin, me holding her legs.
It wasn't quite that bad.
It was nearly that bad.
I was doubled over.
Yeah, you were. But
I did get some good stuff, and it was what, £1 a kilo, wasn't it?
I think
we paid £1 a kilo.
I think we spent about £3.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, and I did get a few nice bits, and yeah.
Yeah. So basically what we'd like to do now is sort of give you an example of some of the things that someone has been very busy in her little craft. I mean, we've got a 3-bed house, which is currently a 1-bed house, because someone's taken over the other 2.
No, only one.
There's still a load of your stuff in the other one. I know we put the washing, I know we hang the washing up in there, but there's still stuff of yours in there.
No, that's only stuffing.
Oh, okay.
It's only one shelf.
So she's still taking over 2 bedrooms. So, over to you to showcase some of the little bits and pieces.
Some of the stuff here.
Yes.
A couple of bags.
This is one of the bags that Ciska's made. As you can see, it's denim. So, old pairs of jeans.
Yeah.
And you've got at least 2 boxes of old denim up there.
Yeah.
So Ciska's been making these. And
that's not the best example, I think.
No, but I like this one because I like the patterns on it.
Yeah.
She's also been making little purses.
Different sizes.
Different sizes purses.
Where have they gone? Oh, here.
Yeah, there's more over there. I mean, so you've got little ones sort of that size.
Yeah, they're all slightly different size because a couple of them I've had to... This one, I had a terrible trouble getting the zipper pull on.
Yes.
Yes, so it kept getting shorter and shorter.
Yeah.
Hence it's quite square.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but these are ideal for your little purses.
Oh, yes.
That's
got a matching bag.
Yeah, that one's got a matching bag, that one has, if I can find it.
It's in there. It's right there.
There.
Yeah, right there.
Where? Which
there,
one
I can see it. It's underneath. There.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
That's quite a pretty one.
Yes.
Reversible.
Yes?
Yes, but I'm thinking of putting a button and a buttonhole on it.
Yeah. Slightly bigger handbag.
Yeah.
And again, another one, slightly larger again.
With an extra pocket.
With an extra pocket, yeah. Yep, you can tell that was an old pair of jeans.
Yeah, you got that, yeah.
Yeah, and then you've got your slightly larger bags with extra pockets.
Mm-hmm.
And other things, I mean, something that's going to that we think is quite useful at festivals, your good old tote bags. We've got loads of different patterns.
Yeah.
You know, so whatever colour, whatever pattern suits you. We've got loads of them.
Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah, Ciska likes this one. An old shirt.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, with pocket.
Yeah, with the pocket on it. Loads and loads of different tote bags.
Yeah. I like the bag with
Oh, that one.
Yeah, I quite like that one as well.
Yeah. Another idea of a little purse type bag.
Yeah.
With a zip.
Yeah.
Fully lined.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah, you fully
I
lined that
couldn't
one.
remember which colour I put inside.
Yes, it's all there.
Yeah.
But this is a few of the examples of the sewing sort of stuff that Ciska's been making. Bags, purses and things like that.
Well, more sewing was the hair scrunchies.
Yeah, little hair
straps.
scrunchies.
There might be some interior of bags in there as well.
Yeah. And on the crochet side of things, I mean, anyone who's watched loads of our videos will often see Ciska sat in the corner of a van with a crochet hook and a ball of yarn, rattling things off. So what she's done here is little coasters, sets of 4. Various different colours.
Well, you've got to show it out.
Yeah, various.
Don't just go like that and expect them to see it.
Yeah, various different colours like that.
Yeah. And little face scrubbies.
Yeah.
With space for your fingers so you can, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, little bags to go in them. Or whatever you want to put in them.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, that's another sewing one. Little key ring. And then, yeah, crocheted ones. If I pass them on to you, you can just, you know, go past.
Yeah, little van. I like these ones, the little van ones. Little key rings, little crocheted vans.
Where's the other key ring? I thought that more. Oh,
No.
maybe they're still upstairs. Really must make more.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, another couple of... Oh. Fluff. Fluff. Yeah, you get that with sewing. Yeah, little hair elastics with little bows. Little...
Hair clips.
Hair clips. That's it, thank you.
Yeah.
Little... With, like, button and little pattern on it. Like little flowers. That sort of thing. What else was there? Oh, I made a couple of cushions as well.
Yeah.
That's a big beast.
Yeah, so if you need a cushion in your van.
Yeah, and there's another one. Planning to make some more.
Yes, yeah, you are.
Yeah.
No, that was my leg. You're not having these jeans. I'm wearing them.
No, not yet. Not yet.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Oh,
They're
yes.
not dead yet.
No, not yet. These are...
yeah, little drinks covers. So you put these. I mean, I'll give you an example. I've got my cup here. When you sit outside your van and it gets a little bit breezy, or we've got the weights.
It's not breezy.
But you know, in the summer where you get your bugs and all the rest of it, the wasps that are going after your fizzy drinks and your beer, and these have even got holes for straws in them as well. So you can pop that over your cup, and the bugs can't get at your drinks.
And it's got a hole for you.
And yeah, as I said, hole for your straw in it as well.
I will put my whole finger through.
I think these are a really good idea. These. But just little bits and pieces like that. And it certainly keeps her busy, doesn't it?
Oh, it keeps me out of mischief, I suppose.
It does. It certainly does. And I didn't want to be left out on this, did I?
No, you didn't. You didn't.
So
You'll have to lean over.
I'll have to lean forward. So basically, I mean, Ciska had some beads in the house that you will see on a few of the bits and pieces that she's been making. So I thought, right, I'll make some bracelets. All brightly coloured stuff and all the rest of it. Some for the kids, some for adults. And I thought, well, that'll keep me busy as well when I'm not editing. So I've been making a few of those.
Yeah. Yeah. But I'm thinking of making like pom-pom bunting as well.
Yeah, pom-pom bunting, yes.
And I might do a few Christmassy things as well.
Yes. Yeah, because we've got if anyone's seen our house at Christmas, there's loads and loads of little bits and pieces that you've made.
Yeah.
All over the place, aren't there? You know, they're only small little bits and pieces.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know.
Yeah, but if you're in a van, that's all you want.
Yeah, yeah. You don't want a 6-foot Christmas tree in your motorhome, do you?
No. Well, I wouldn't anyway.
No.
It wouldn't even fit.
No, it wouldn't. So yeah, just little decorations and all the rest of it. And you've said you are having a Christmas corner, aren't you?
That's what I just said.
Yes. So
We're not listening.
We have bought a gazebo.
We did. That was our biggest investment.
Yeah, that was our big investment for this. So this is where you guys come in. We're after some help on this. How do we go about booking these festivals? Because we've never done this before. This is all new to us.
Yeah.
You know, who do we need to speak to? What sort of insurances do we need?
Do I need to be VAT registered?
Yeah, things like that.
Insurances.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
also like ideas of, you know, what you'd like to see.
Yeah, yeah. What would you buy?
Yeah.
That's handmade, crafted.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we were thinking of making some bath mats as well, like what we've got.
Yeah, we've got, shall we say, it's a bit of a novelty thing, isn't it? That we have in our van.
Well, I'd sit on the loo and did I open that? I can't remember. Which way's open? Oh, I don't know. Can't remember.
Yeah. Give me 2 seconds. I will grab it because I know exactly where it is.
Okay.
I'm back. And that's the sort of little thing that we have in our bathroom. Now...
Open? Closed.
Closed. Now, Ciska made this because we take the grandchildren out.
As well, yeah.
You know, and obviously, as we're getting old, we forget which way's open and closed on the cassette. You put that in front of it, you know whether it's open or whether it's closed. And so do the kids. So, it's great.
Yeah.
So, yeah, as we were saying, we need some help on this. Do you know of small festivals? We don't want to go to anything big like the Warner shows.
No.
Not yet.
No, I wouldn't want to stand there all day
No.
and not enjoying the music, or like last year we were with the fan club.
Yes.
And we did stuff in the afternoon.
Yeah. And
I'd want to do that. If you're in a store, you can't do that.
No, you can't.
No.
And the evening stuff and all the rest of it. So, yeah. So if you know of any small festivals, or you're running a small festival and this sort of thing would appeal to you, please get in touch in the comments and let us know.
Yeah.
Be really, really, really helpful.
But also ideas of making.
Yeah, definitely. So, that basically is what we're planning for 2026. I mean, obviously, yes, we're doing a European trip. The stuff with the van club,
well,
where we
word
can.
on the European trip, because we spent a lot of diesel last year, and of course, with the first year not working, we want to be a bit careful and see what's what. We want to stay a little bit closer around where my mum lives, didn't we?
Yes, we do, yeah.
Yeah. So we're not gonna go on an epic journey.
No, it's not going to be epic, but we will be we will be nipping into Germany.
Well, yeah.
Because it's right on the border. It's on the border, so it's perfect.
It's hard to avoid.
Yes, it is. And there is a lot of stuff around there. And there's a couple of places we may possibly go back to.
Yeah.
One of our favourite stops.
Weister.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great minds think alike.
But there is so much to do around there. It's a really rural area, and when you look at it at face value, you think there's nothing to do there. But there is, especially if you like history.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's...
Is it Neolithic?
Yeah, Neolithic stuff around there. There's a lot of that.
Right up to modern day history.
Yeah.
Second World War.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was an internment camp just down the road from there, wasn't there?
As well, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, the railway is still there.
Yes.
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 And you can actually hear it from Leicester.
Yes, you can. Yeah. Just to put that in context, it was actually where Anne Frank was sent before she went to the concentration camp in Germany. That's where they moved all the Dutch Jews.
Yeah.
So, that's our plans for 2026. Hopefully you can all join us along the way.
Yes.
And hopefully we will see you at a festival somewhere and you can come and see us.
I love pom-poms.
Yes. Yes, you're going to be doing some bunting with that, aren't you?
Yeah, I was thinking that, right, the van. It'll look, or the gazebo, it'll look colourful.
Yeah, colourful.
And the lights. And I think they would make good Christmas baubles, actually.
Yes. Again, not a lot of weight. No. Perfect for a van.
And they squish down for storage.
Yeah, they do. Yes. So, thank you for watching, everybody. Hopefully, it won't be too much longer before we get the van back and we can get out on the road again. Hopefully, we'll see you at one of these festivals somewhere. Yeah, come over and have a chinwag and say hello.
Yep.
Grab a sticker. We do still have some of those.
Yes, we still have stickers. They are free.
Yeah, they are free.
This lot ain't.
So, we will see you all on the next one.
Ta-ta.
Ta-da.